being a GTM engineer was not something that I actually planned to become, but it was something that I started like exploring, and then I was like, okay, it is very interesting, and this is something I really want to jump in. So, like back in March 2025, I guess, my contract was over with one of the agencies, and I was exploring different fields. The agency I was working alongside, it was a Clay agency, and that is what actually made me initially interested into Clay. Then I explored Clay 101, watched the multiple YouTube videos of Eric. Then, within 2 months, I was able to land two clients. And while I was working with them, I realized that, okay, this is actually very interesting and I really want to pursue it forward. Moving onwards, I asked Nathan, like it was like 3 to 4 months in, and I asked Nathan, I was like, Nathan, when we are going to have some scholarships for Clay Bootcamp? And he was like, okay. There's a secret that I will be announcing one soon, but you have to keep your mouth shut. So I was like, okay, secret kept. Then in 10 days or so, the announcement was out that Clay Bootcamp is giving us scholarships alongside ETIO. That's when I applied and I got like into top 15 applicants who were supposed to get the scholarship, but I couldn't clarify in the top six. So Nathan gave me a special discount on that. So it was like a partial scholarship. And this is exactly how my journey came folding into GTM Engineer.